Stop saying, "I can't come," when someone invites you out.
Wait, what's wrong with that? It's the truth.
To a native speaker, it sounds incredibly blunt and almost rude.
Oh no. I've been saying that for years. I don't want to lose my friends.
Don't worry. Today we're learning the art of the polite decline, so you sound sophisticated and kind.
I definitely need this. Show me the first secret.
Lesson 1. Always use a softener before you deliver the bad news.
A softener? Like fabric softener?
No. Phrases like, "I'd love to, but," or, "That sounds amazing, however."
So, I'd love to go to the party, but I have to study?
Perfect. It shows you actually value the invitation.
What if I'm just too tired? Can I say that?
Sure, try, "I'm so honored you asked, but I'm feeling a bit under the weather."
Under the weather, that means sick, right?
Exactly. It's a very natural way to decline.
Okay, lesson 1, use a softener. What's next?
Lesson 2 is for when you actually want to go, just not right now. Use a rain check.
A rain check? Does it have to be raining?
Nope. It's an idiom. Say, "Can I take a rain check?"
So it means, can we do it another time instead?
Spot on. You can also say, "I'm tied up right now, but maybe next week."
Tied up means busy, right?
Yes. It sounds much more natural than, "I am busy."
I like that. Can I take a rain check? Sounds so cool.
It really does. It keeps the door open for the future.
What about professional situations? I can't say rain check to my boss.
Good point. Lesson 3, the professional refusal.
How do I say no to a networking event or a meeting?
Use, "Unfortunately, I have a prior commitment."
Prior commitment, that sounds very official.
It is. It means you already have plans and you don't need to explain what they are.
Can I say, I'm afraid I won't be able to make it?
Excellent. Using, "I'm afraid," makes the refusal much softer and more polite.
I'm learning so much. Let's see this in action.
Hey. Are you coming to the concert tonight? It's going to be lit.
Oh, I'd love to, but I'm actually tied up with some family stuff.
That's too bad. What about coffee tomorrow morning?
I'm afraid I have a prior commitment tomorrow morning. Can I take a rain check for Friday?
Friday works. See you then.
Wow. That was so much better than just saying no or I can't.
Exactly. You kept the friendship and sounded professional.
Now it's your turn. How would you decline a dinner invitation from your boss?
Pause the video and type your answer in the comments below.
I can't wait to see what they write.
Quick recap. 1. Use softeners like, "I'd love to, but."
2. Use rain check for friends.
3. Use prior commitment for work.
And never just say no.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We have a new video every single day.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.